Hello everyone and welcome back to CBSE TechTalks. I am Dr. Krishna Man and today we are going to learn a very simple yet very important Python concept, and that is how to find the maximum and minimum values in a tuple. A tuple in Python is an ordered collection of elements that is immutable. This means once we create it, we cannot change the values inside it. To add elements, we need to create a new tuple using concatenation. Today's task: input n numbers from user, store them in tuple, print the maximum and minimum values from the tuple. The logical explanation is, first of all, we have to create an empty tuple named numbers. Ask the user how many elements they want to enter. Use a loop to take each number as input. Add each number to tuple using tuple concatenation. Finally, use max and min function to display highest and lowest values. Now if we see here, numbers equals to tuple. Tuple is an, you can say, function or constructor which is used to create empty tuple. We are taking the value of n from user, and that will be the number of elements required in tuple. Using a for loop starting from range 0 to n, you may simply write range n also, 0 to n. The loop will execute from 0 to n minus 1 times, means altogether n times. It is going to input the value and the values will be of integer type. Those values we are assigning to, we are using concatenation, and we are assigning the values to the tuple every time, and we are adding one value. So the previous content of tuple plus the new value of new number which you have entered is storing every time using concatenation in numbers as a tuple. After that, we are displaying the number of numbers in the tuple. So complete tuple values of will be displayed, and then using maximum function and minimum function we are displaying the max value and min value. Let me show you this coding on system so that it will be clear to you. So I have opened, as I have more than one line, so I need to open in script mode. I have opened, I am saving it. Let's see, it may work or it may not work. If it will not work, then I have to remove some statements or some commas, which generally I do. And if it will work in one go, then that's great. So if I see here, and I won't have to save the file, all the files of mine in D drive and in CBSE TechTalks. Under that I have Python, and you can say max and min. This is the name of my file which I am saving. Now it will ask enter how many numbers you want to enter. Let's take an example. I want to enter 5 values. So it will repeat 5 times. So 5 values need to be entered. Suppose 8, 3, 90. Okay, it has to be given in different. 8, 3, 9, 90. Then you can say 78, and let's say 5. Now the numbers are in the tuple are, so all the 5 numbers are displayed in the tuple. Maximum number is 90 and minimum number is 3. So this is the program for that. Now these are some of the Viva questions which can be asked from this topic or from tuples. What is a tuple in Python? How is tuple different from a list? Can we modify a tuple after creating it, and if then why? Why we want to create, or how you can say. Which function are used to find maximum and minimum values in the tuple? Can a tuple store values of different data types? What will happen if we try to apply max on a tuple containing strings and numbers together? So values are of different types, string and number, and then you are trying max value. Write the syntax to create an empty tuple. How do we add elements to a tuple if it is immutable? What is tuple concatenation, and why is tuple preferred over list in some situations? These are few of the Viva questions which may be asked from the topic. And the last, or the call of action, is try this with your own list and comment on output. So take some different values or of the numbers and then try it. Like this video if it helped you, share it with your classmates and don't forget to subscribe for more CBSE Python programs. See you in the next video, and the next coming 2-3 videos will be related to the programs of tuples only. Till then, keep coding. Take care.